Hello everyone! Welcome to my new house here in Livetopia! I bought it a month ago and I'm so excited to finally share it with you all. And that's the tour of my new home. I hope you enjoy it. Hey everyone, today is the big day because I'm finally going to buy my own car. It's been such an hassle on always taking taxi, so I'm super excited to have my own ride. Let's head to the car dealership and find the perfect car. Hey everyone, I'm at the car dealership now. Let's head inside and meet the person I've been discussing the car with. Hey guys, we are done discussing the requirements about buying a car. Now let's go and check it out. Alright guys, we're all set. I have finalized everything and we are good to go. I'm so excited to explore more with my new car and share it with you all in our future vlogs. Hey guys, I'm back home now. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey with my new car. Stay tuned for more adventures ahead. Bye for now!